are beginning to get warm heading into the World Championships in Tokyo. Despite a bit of a resurgence or renewal of Jamaican sprinting for both men and women, it is safe to say that Jamaica will not be having any 1, 2, 3s in any of those sprint events in Tokyo. The American woman, or should we say the American woman, Melissa Jefferson Wooden, looks imperious across both events, full stop. Now on the men's side, we're still in pole position with Kishane Thompson, still the world leader and highly favored to take the next step and cop that global title. And of course, Oblique Seville is lurking in the wings. And look, we don't have to say it won't be easy. We know it won't be easy in either the 100 or the 200. The Americans, Noah Lyles and Kenny Bedrick. And of course, the man from Botswana, Letsile Tobago. Right now, if Jamaica can get 1 gold, 2 silver, and a bronze across all 4 events, we should be happy. Yes. We should be happy. Yeah!